Hey there guys, so today I'm going to play some more Chickensmoothie, and today, since it's Christmas time, as you can tell on Chickensmoothie, I'm going to give away some pets. So throughout the year, I have stored pets into this group called Blessings. So I've just put random pets in there. I've got some, pretty common pets, and then I've got some rares. When we had the rarity changes for a lot of the pets, I moved a lot in here. So we've got some older ones. And so today I'm just going to be looking at the homepage. I'm going to try to find people with not as many pets and they have lots of pets on their wish list, because I like it when people have lots of stuff on their wish list because it's more fun to give them stuff. So this person is posting on a quitting forum. So they're looking for free pets. So let's see what their stuff looks like. Let's see. Do they have a lot of pets? Okay, so they don't have as many. Yes, they have 517 pets on their wish list. Okay, so we're going to go into Blessings. Let's see. Please say some of these are on their wish list. Okay, that's on their wish list. Let's see. Man. None on their wish list. I don't know why my computer's being so slow. Okay, so hopefully they'll like the pony enough, right? Let's see if I just have any other random pets. Oh, well, I can give them this stuff. I love giving away doubles because don't really need more than one of each pet. Okay. I don't know what happened there, guys. Merry Christmas. Enjoy. Enjoy. Okay. Alright. So that's the first gift. Trade me, please. I'm bored. Alright, so they joined in 2018. It's possible that they don't have a whole bunch. Maybe not. You know, if you're really passionate about this. Okay. Let's see what the best... Okay. I'm sorry for the slow computer. Oh, yes! Look, look, look! They have 3,000 things on... Okay, they're gonna be fun. They're gonna be fun. Alright, where's Blessings? Please. Okay. There, take it. Okay. So, I'll save some of the older ones. Okay. Let's give them this. This. Let's give them a squirrel. Yes, take the rats. I like some of the rats. It's just I prefer like the cats and dogs instead. Oh, you want the baby? Take the baby. Okay. Let's see. And then nothing on this page. Okay. So I will put another rare, so it's not like they're just getting a rare rat, because I can give them more than that. Do I only have... Let's see. Okay. We'll do this dog. Alright. Merry Christmas. This pauses every time I hit the space. I'm sorry for the choppy things you're seeing. Okay, so every time I push the space bar, it pauses. And then I push it again and it plays again. See? I just did it. Oh look, we got the message back. Let's see what. Ah, thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Okay. Awesome. Okay, I think the other person will like theirs. Okay, so open for trades. Let's see if they want something. They have. I just love the people who have lots of stuff on their wish list. Okay, so they've got some good stuff, but who doesn't like free stuff, you know? Unless they don't have anything on their wish list, then it's really not kind of. They're probably, yeah. I can't afford to get rid of those. Oh, let's see what they said. They liked that. Okay. This person wants free stuff, so let's click on them. Oops. Okay, so does anyone get confused when they're trading someone? They want to go all the way down here? Because that's really messed me up. Now the send trade is up here instead of down here. Okay. Let's see. Do you have lots of pets? Okay. Okay, that's a good amount of pets. Okay, so blessings. Where are you? Okay. Oh, yeah, it's not on page. Okay, so let's see. Oh, well, take that. You can have it. Oh, they want these dogs. Alright, go ahead, take them. You can have them. Oh, let's give you the uncommon one. Well, hopefully they'll like that. They don't really have much on their wish list. Alright, so it's going to get all funky again. It's going to start pausing and stuff. Every time I do the space. Merry. Haha. Christmas. Enjoy. Send trade. A message from your pet. Oh, well, that's sad. Oh my goodness. You remember these? Oh, I forgot about these. Every time you offer your pet in a trade, when you've adopted them, they send you. Oh, okay. Well, I think they'll enjoy their other home. Their other person. Okay, so this person wants something. Send trade. Just make sure the pets are on my wish list. Oh, it's big. Okay. Yay. Everybody loves these kind of people. Okay. All right. Take it. Okay. Well, I thought some of these pets were nice because I like these pets. Okay. I love this horse right here. Huh. Aw. Sorry for the wait. Huh. You know what? Maybe if I just go to see if I have anything in. Okay. I can get rid of one of those. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wait. This spazzed out a little bit. Pets on your partner's wish list. Okay. Okay, that might just have to be it. Maybe not. Okay, it's working again. Alright, take all these. I have so many. Take it. Okay. And if any of you guys want to become my friend on Chickensmoothie, just leave down in the comments your username. Or just send me a trade, or just not even a trade, send me a message. And I will try my best to respond, because I'm not really on Chickensmoothie too much. I am in December, because I like to get all the pets and stuff. Okay. See what they said. I don't know why this is so slow. So slow. Is it because this is open? Don't need that open. Come on. Yeah, that was pretty pitiful, but they didn't really have much on their wish list. Okay. Okay, this person looking for free stuff. Let's take a look at them. I really don't know why this is so slow. It's not usually slow. Doo-doo. Come on. Okay. Please say. Okay. Alright. You have lots on your wish list. Oh, no you don't. But we'll just look and see what I have doubles of. I can afford to get rid of some. Have some deer. Definitely have a lot of them. I have a lot of these. Wow. Okay. That's my phone. It's yelling at me for some reason. Okay. See what they said. I love to see messages. Just thank you so much. Okay. Alright, so I think that's going to be it for today. If you guys liked this video, just leave a thumbs up. If I get to, let's say, 30 likes. If this video gets to 30 likes, I'll do another video just like it, because I'm constantly adding on to this group right here. I'll just add random pets as the year goes on. So yeah, just leave a like if you liked it, and I'll make another video at 30 likes. So before I sign off on this video, we're gonna see what this person said. Ladybug. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.